Hi, my name is Jeff, and this is another one of my tips and tricks on how to build your reputation online. And today we're going to talk about how important your website is. Your website is the main part of your online presence, or one of the main parts. Your website should be secure. It should have an SSL certificate. How many times have you looked at the URL up the top of your website and it says not secure? And then quite often when you click on that, you'll get a warning. Do you want to continue or go back to safety? Because this website is not secure. On top of that, you must have security plugins on your website to try and stop people from getting in. When I first started setting up websites, I thought nobody's going to hack me. I'm too unimportant. And then one day I got onto the website and everything is written in Arabic and they're playing Arabic songs. I had to pull the whole thing down and start again. Today we have plugins that will stop these hacks, and I have noticed on occasion that sometimes there are over 200 attempts within 10 minutes on some of the websites that I look after. Another important factor is that you should always have a backup on a regular basis to a secure site. It is not enough to back up to where your website is hosted, because if they get hacked, you lose everything. So backing up to a remote site is necessary. There's been a couple of occasions when I've had problems with some of the websites I look after, and I can usually restore them within 20 minutes because I have this secure backup. This is another one of the tips on how to keep your reputation safe by having a secure, well-developed website. If you want to know more about this, just give me a call and I will get back to you straight away. Thank you and have a great day.